on this episode of Going with the Galleys. Hi! Dad, you might want to go first. See those people way up there? Yep, that's gonna be us. If I'm doing it, it's going on YouTube. Come on. Hi, it's been a bit. I think I feel like a broken record saying that in every single start of my video, but it has been. I kind of took the summer off and some change, a couple months, and I'll explain that in a future video pretty soon. I promise I'm still gonna make these videos. I still enjoy it. I just needed to take a step back and do some summer things. I'll tell you about it later. In this video, we're in Acadia, which has been a while since we've been, but I still want to share it with you guys. I still want to document everything. I hope you guys enjoy still. I'm going to try to get these videos that I have planned. I have quite a few planned out as fast as I can. Get back on my roll, that way I'm not 5 videos behind all the time. I'm trying here. I got some cool ideas. I can't wait for you guys to see them. To pass Shelby. Oh my gosh!
The next day.
Hi guys, we're going to Acadia National Park right now to head on the Beehive hike trail. It's, if you've heard of Angel's Landing, it's probably Angel's Landing if it was for kids. So it's like an easier version, but we're gonna be on the edge of a mountain. There's gonna be great views. Hopefully it's a pretty day, so hopefully we can see lots of stuff and we don't die. So see you there. See those people way up there? Yep, that's gonna be us. Wow. Holy cow. Dad, you might want to go first. Lovely. waving. Hi! That's funny.
Look this way?
No, that way, I think.
Oh, wait.
That way.
No.
Yeah.
Which way?
Yeah, I see rungs, I thought.
Where?
That way.
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
Oh, this is legit.
Got this. Do I got this? Okay. If I'm doing it, it's going on YouTube. Come on. Okay, so we just got to the top of the mountain. Yeah, that's my explanation for it. It was good. There was a few times it was like, I don't want to fall off the edge, but I think it's worth it. And now we start our descent down. Let's go. How are we going up? I'm flying! Yeah. Woo, we made it! I feel like I'm out and go, oh, look at, there's a pond. That's the pond. No, I don't. We're good.
Don't be jumping on it.
This is crazy. Ray's gonna get a, oh my, how do you even, got it.
Mold.
I'm young and I'm tired. Does that look like a beehive? I don't think it does. It looks like, not a beehive. You look like a mountain goat, Dad. You're welcome. Hi! Oh, that's awesome. You're a little crooked. All right. Hi, guys. Wait. Hi, guys. Well, yeah. To pass Shelby. That was so. It's so pretty here, though. Look at it. I love it. Anyway, bye.